I'm going to show you how to use the VocFit Planning Tool. To use the planning tool, you need to assign a job goal. To assign a job goal, you go to the job bank and flag a job. Once a job goal has been assigned, this particular job seeker has been assigned once, or has been assessed one time. So we're going to go to the plan and we're going to create a VocFit plan for him. So to do that, we're going to create a new plan, select an assessment. This one has only had one assessment done, and it's going to use the greens, yellows, oranges, and reds to show strengths and the things that they need to continue to work on. So we'll go to the general abilities, and so anything that is a con, an area of intervention, you can select those. So we're going to add initiate new tasks, works well with coworkers, follows the proper chain of command, and attends to job consistently. For that particular one, you can go and enter other things to work on. So select items from work areas, clean work tools. So we'll add those. So right now we've got 6 skills we're working on. We'll go to communication, we'll add a few more. Speaks clearly, understands the speech of another person, deals with unpleasant anger. So now we have about 10 tasks. I'm going to create a plan. And now it's going to show me those tasks. At this point, you're going to select, is this something that you're going to work on through instruction? They're going to learn a new skill. Are you going to look at an adaptation? So we're going to figure out a way for them to do a task differently. Or is it something maybe that they need an accommodation for? So perhaps they're a wheelchair user, and so we need to always figure out how to make sure that they can access anything they need to from while sitting in their wheelchair. So we'll just select if it's going to be instruction, adaptation, accommodation, and how we're going to accomplish that. And then you can put some note if there's some things you're working on maybe that are not in VocFit, or any comments that you want to make. Job seeker has agreed to make these his priority areas. Will reassess in 8 weeks. I'm going to save the changes, and then from there we can go and look and see the note from the last time, and then also the things that we wanted to do. If you wanted to go in and do another job or another plan, you can just go back to leave the plans, go to the plan section, and create a new plan, or go in and edit that plan, whatever you would like to do. That's up to you. So that is the VocFit Planning Tool.